Rack Shop is proud to present this 2017 through current Jeep Compass with the factory installed flush side rails. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail base rack system. So that consists of the WingBar Evo load bar, 47 inches in length. This one happens to be black. Silver is also available. The flush rail foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, and vehicle specific fitting kit 186082. So those items make up this complete rack system that you see here. Locks are optional, but not required. So if you want to add security to it, you can add those at the time of purchase or down the road. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and a great system for all different types of gear and accessories. So this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's gonna be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.